Hey guys, it's Hoyam and welcome to another episode of the Weekend Roundup. The Weekend Roundup is where we tell you about all the coolest stuff happening in Qatar over the weekend. Start your weekend with Zakir Khan's stand-up comedy that will get you rolling off your seats laughing, and the live comedy show is happening this Thursday at the Qatar National Convention Center. Gates will be open at 6:30 p.m. So be sure to secure your seats soon to join the fun. Did you check out the Summer Entertainment City yet? There are not only games, rides and shows, but you can also enjoy the variety of cuisines available at more than 45 food stalls while shopping from around 100 retail outlets. So what else is there left to ask for? Oh yeah, timings. It's open from 12:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. from Saturday to Wednesday and 1 p.m. to 11 p.m. on Thursday and Friday. See you guys there. For our third event, Paws Qatar is going to arrange a fantastic quiz program for you on June 13th. On top of your usual fun of testing your general knowledge skills, there will also be a live set by Beaten Tracks. It is happening at the JW Marriott Marquee, so get your teams together for a chance to win some amazing prizes. Bring your family together to build musical memories at Opera House Katara as a fun concert will take place this Friday. This is a unique project with costumes from the 18th century and historical characters from Mozart's life. General entry is 75 Qatar riyals and it's happening from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. so make sure to be there. Are you into baking or want to learn new baking skills? Dina Aqad, the owner of Delicious, will teach young adults how to bake and decorate different cakes on the 15th of June at the Qatar National Library. And this is an open event. RSVP is not required. So, what are you guys waiting for? So I guess that's it guys for today's episode of the Weekend Roundup. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys want to know more about fun events in Qatar before they happen, download the Qatar Events app and you will never miss another event again. Available on both Android and iOS, the app is completely free and easy to use. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter and be up to date with what's happening in and around Qatar. For more details, visit our website iLoveQatar.net. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!